and journey dito sa Canada. Especially po, nandito po kami sa Atlantic part of Canada, which is Nova Scotia. So yun guys, ito na. Nagluluto na ako ng pompano for lunch namin. Hi, good morning everyone. So today po ay May 4th of 2025 around like 10 a.m. and we just woke up because it's Sunday today, so we're just like enjoying the slow mornings. Ngayon po ay nagkakape lang kami ng partner ko, and while nagkakape, ito po yung routine namin na nanonood po kami ng mga Filipino vloggers across Canada na nag-share ng journey nila, experiences, and life living in Canada. So I just thought na mag-create din po ako ng YouTube channel to share our experiences, some clips, and maybe suggestions based on our experiences and journey dito sa Canada. Especially po, nandito po kami sa Atlantic part of Canada, which is Nova Scotia. So we're living in a small community and like province here in Nova Scotia. So the life and the environment is very different compared to the big cities like Toronto, Vancouver, or maybe Quebec and places like that. So yeah, I just thought that it would be great for me and my partner to share our story and life here in the Atlantic coast of Canada. So, ngayon po, Sunday, we don't have any plans, but I would like to show you yung mga ginagawa namin on a Sunday. Basically, ako lang po yung makikita ninyo sa vlog because my partner is a shy type person. So, pero makikita nyo din po siya like maybe sa mga next videos ko na sa background lang. So, yeah, yung plano ko ngayon ay magluluto ng pompano for our lunch. So, this video will be the first ever video on my YouTube channel. So, I hope you guys would subscribe and support me along my journey in growing this YouTube channel. I know there would be a lot of like learning curves, but I would be happy to share our life, maybe our experiences here in Canada. Yeah. So guys, kakatapos ko lang maghugas ng pinggan ng pinagkainan namin kagabi. And na-realize ko yung pompano matigas pa pala kasi galing freezer. So tatapusin ko lang muna yung kape ko and maghihintay ako ng ilang minuto. Baka 15 minutes para yung isda ay hindi na masyadong matigas at pwede ko nang prituhin. Nagsaing na rin pala ako, guys. So, yeah. And guys, nakalimutan ko pala, yung kape ko, every weekend lang namin to binibili. So, for example, off ako ng Saturday, Sunday, bibili kami ng kape, dalawa kami sa Tim Hortons. And yung pinaka-favorite ko is yung original ice cap nila. Nung first time namin dito sa Canada, tinry talaga namin yung Tim Hortons agad. And then, yung first order ko was actually the original ice cap, which is basically parang frap siya na ice, frap siya na coffee, pero para sa akin masarap talaga siya. So, yung partner ko, sa kanya, is yung original latte lang nung Tim Hortons. Unsweetened. Kasi hindi siya mahilig sa sweets. Ako mahilig ako sa sweets. So, yung original ice caps, hindi siya masyadong sweet. Pero, parang siya, parang caramel frap siya ng Starbucks. So, ito parati kong in-order. And every weekend. So, basically, yung work ko kasi, naka 32-hour work week lang kami. So, every week, I have the choice to choose if I wanted to work full, like Monday to Friday, but only like 6 hours per day. Like, for example, I could choose like 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. And then we do have like paid lunch break as well. So, within 6 hours na yan. Basta makomplete mo lang yung 32 hours. Or, I could choose either like 4-day work week and it should be like 8 hours per day for that 4 days. So, yung choose ko is yung tawag dito, yung 4-day work week, which is total pa rin niya 32 hours kasi mag-8 hours per day ako in the office, and chinus ko yung Monday to Thursday para yung Friday, Saturday, yung Friday ko walang pasok. So basically, every week may long weekend ako sa work. So if ever may mga big events kami, for example Friday, and parang na timing doon sa like off ko, for example ng Friday, pwede kong i-change yung work hours or work days ko from like Tuesday to Friday, so that on Friday nandun ako sa office, and babalik ako sa pagka following week ng Monday to Thursday. Hi guys, so eto magluluto na ako ng pompano kasi yung isda is malambot na. So pwede ko na siyang prituhin. So first i-prepare ko siya muna. Isi-season ko siya muna sa pepper and salt and garlic powder para maging malasa siya. And eto, papakita ko sa inyo. Yeah. Nabili namin to sa Atlantic Superstore, and sobrang laki niya talaga. So basically, ito lang yung uulamin namin for lunch. Hindi rin kasi namin mauubos pag dalawa yung pipituhin namin. And then, hatiin ko lang to sa gitna. Sa kay Taj yung sa partner ko yung sa ulo, and then yung sa akin yung puntot. So, kasi mamayang gabi, magluluto din naman ako ng buttered shrimp. So, para may babaunin ako tomorrow sa work ko. So, yeah. Isi-season ko to. Kukunin ko lang yung hasang niya. And hatiin. So, ayan guys. Natutunan kong maglinis ng isda kasi tinuruan ako noon ng mama ko kung paano maglinis ng isda. So, ito, wala na siyang, like, parang kailangan mo pang, like, kikis-kisin yung mga kaliskis niya. Pag nabili mo to, hasang na lang. So, yung ibang isda na mabibili mo sa superstore is malinis na talaga. Kahit hasang, wala na. Pero yung pompano, kailangan mong tanggalin yung hasang niya. So, marunong din akong kumuha ng hasang. So guys, habang nagpapainit ako ng mantika, dun sa maliit na kawali, i-share ko lang sa inyo yung apartment namin. So basically, ito, yung sinistayan namin is a basement apartment with private entrance. So nag-transfer kami dito last August of 2024, last year. So yung kagandahan ng dito, kahit basement siya, is that meron siyang private entrance. Ipapakita ko sa inyo. So ito guys, yung private entrance. Pagkalabas mo, yan na yung makikita mo, yung backyard. Yun. So, yung may-ari nito is, dito din nagtatrabaho sa area. And, na-timing lang nung naghahanap kami ng apartment dito, kasi dito ako nakakuha ng trabaho. Naghahanap din siya ng tenant. Yung previous tenant niya is 4 years, at yun yung first tenant niya sa bahay na to. And sobrang pait talaga ng landlord namin dito. They made sure na okay kami dito before our transfer. And yun, 1-bedroom apartment siya. Napakaluwang ng sala, may kitchen, may like bathroom or washroom na sobrang luwang, and yung 1-bedroom namin is sobrang luwang din. Sobrang safe space para sa aming dalawa lang no partner ko, which is si Taj. So yeah, we're so blessed. For a start, this is a really good apartment for us as a newcomer here in Canada. So yeah. So guys, ready na for lunch. Ito, ganito ka-crispy yung gusto namin. Yan, and rice, and tubig na may ice. So yun na nga guys, hindi ko na ngayon alam kung paano i-edit yung mga videos ko. So I started taking videos earlier this morning while we are having our coffee and we are like just watching Filipino vloggers here in Canada. So I was just inspired and just took my phone and started vlogging. And I don't know how to start editing these videos. So now I'm looking for a free tool na pwede ko magamit na friendly user lang, and na because I was just like thinking about different kinds of tools, considering na nagsa-start pa lang naman ako. And yeah, so tingnan na lang natin kung anong kalalabasan ng video na to once uploaded na sa YouTube channel ko. So yun guys, thank you so much for watching my first ever video on YouTube. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the notifications bell para maging updated kayo sa upcoming and future videos namin. If you're interested to like be with us on this journey, living in Canada as a newcomer, especially living here in Nova Scotia. So thank you so much for being here, and I really appreciate if you could subscribe to my channel and support this little dream of mine. Thank you. Have a good one. Bye-bye.